Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen, and I am a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I have a whole big old bag of stuff from Shein. Now, I like to watch haul videos, so I thought you guys would like to too. I think pretty much just nail stuff, so let's get into it. So the first item that I bought is just this box of different colored gems. I really only have clear or the red and black ones that we got in our Macart box. I really just wanted like a few different colors. I think that they're beautiful. Like these two are calling my name, and even these like blue ones, oh, so pretty. These ones have like an iridescent to them. They're not fully hollow, but these are just so pretty. Now, I will put prices up on the screen. I could tell you like most of this stuff is really inexpensive. I feel like I'm stealing when I shop there because like everything is so cheap. So the next item, ooh, these were so cute. They're like little planets. And I've been wanting to do like a celestial manicure. Oh my god, I cannot get this open. Okay, we'll come back to that later. But they had all different colors. They had ones that you could buy where they were all the same color, and they had this one. And I figured, like, realistically, how many of these are you going to put on your nails? Like, I'm gonna probably do like 1, 2 at the most. So I just thought they were really cute. I could stare at this all day, seriously. Oh, and did you miss this hand? This one's empty because I haven't done it yet, but this one should be coming out before this video. It's just a little Christmas look that I did with a newer brand, and I thought it was really pretty. So check that out if it's out now. Then, oh, I have already like opened this, but these are the little cloths that you can lay out on your desk just to keep your workspace clean, catch any dust. You can like wipe your brush on them. They're really cool. I wanted to get some of these, and I got them in black because I figured when I'm on camera, it's probably the best color for a background. Like all the colors would pop really well, so you could get whatever color you wanted, but I chose to get this. The next item, ooh, are these little, they're basically little stickers. It comes with the stickies that you put on top of your polishes, or I guess you could put it on acrylic or polygel, but you paint it with the color and then you stick it to the top of the gel polish. I just thought these were really cool because sometimes you get gel polish or other items that you can't tell what color it is until you open it up. You know, maybe it doesn't have a name on it, it just goes by a number, whatever the case may be. I just thought they would come in handy. The next thing was just one of these random gem kits. They come with all kinds of stuff. They usually have like jewels in them and then like some metal decals. This one has stars and moons. Why can't I open anything? I can't open any of these. There we go. It's got like different sized, oh, these are flakes. I didn't even know that was in there. So it's got flakes and it's got some big old diamonds. The only thing that kind of stinks about these is they're not flat back. I just want to get something so we can like dig around in here. So there's some stars. There's some just like straight, they almost look like tubes. Some little moons, some big moon. Oh, a sun. So this is cool. It might go with the little like celestial theme. Now these are like oval gems. Yeah, these are like flakes, almost like broken shells or something. I at first thought they were just gold flake. Oh my god. At least it's not all over my desk like it usually is. Okay. Anyways, I swear it wouldn't be a day of filming if I didn't drop something on my desk, but this is really pretty. I love the color. It's not normally a color that I would gravitate towards, but for some reason it caught my eye. The next thing are just some little paper Christmas decor. There's a bunch of stuff in there. You got Santa, you got presents, you got, I don't know what those are. It's almost like old school, more like modern stuff, and then just everyday things. There's mittens in there. It's cute. I'll definitely use them, that's for sure. I don't really have too much Christmas decor, so that's kind of what I was looking for on this trip. And then the next two items are just some little gift bags and some thank you stickers. These will be for giveaway boxes because I want to package this stuff up nicely. I don't just want to like throw it in a box and say, here you go. Thanks for being here. Okay, coming up next. Oh, so I got some little swatch sticks. Some people call these pops. It came with a ring too. I think there's $1.50 in here. I needed these desperately. I was just using just nail tips, and I mean, you could use those obviously, but I thought it would be cool to have these on a ring and be able to keep them and just label them and have them in my drawer or something like that. I just like the idea of using this, and I think it's easier to present it to you guys when I swatch something. I just think it's a nicer way of doing that. So anyways, that's why I got them. I have a thought process behind everything I buy because I don't just buy things without justifying why I need it. So you could call me cheap if you want, that's fine. Then I saw these cute little flowers. To be honest with you, I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but I thought they were cute and they were only $1, I think. So I got them. Now, I don't know if it's something that I will use. Now, I was trying to like keep you guys in mind too while I was shopping because I was like trying to get a couple things that I could either share with you or just give away in boxes. So this is one of those things where I was like, if I don't use it, I could definitely give it away in a giveaway box. So as well as the next thing, I saw these huge chunky Christmas charms and I was like, yes, my subscribers would definitely love these. So I got these guys and they are just so cute. I'm just gonna dump them out all over the place. You have little stars with Santa hats and Santas, and I don't know, is this mistletoe or holly? I don't know. Either way, it's there. Little Christmas tree and a cute little reindeer. So I know that if I put this in a giveaway box, one of you guys would absolutely love this. So that's why I picked these. The next item was just a small multicolored gem wheel. I don't know what you call these things, but again, this was like another I should get this from my subscriber type of thing. So there's a decent amount in here, to be honest with you. They're all kind of small, but what did I do with the big one? They're all like the same color. Oh god, what did I drop? The one I couldn't open anyway, so maybe it'll open. They're all almost the same color as what's in here. And then there's like this multicolored section that's just got like, it looks just like hollow gems. But yeah, I don't know. I was thinking of you guys when I got that one. So anyways, then some more Christmas decor. Are these paper too? I think these are like the same. Did I get the same thing? They got me good because this is literally like the same. No, okay. It's not the same exact thing. It's very much same color scheme, but there's definitely different stuff in here. So I was about to say, I know I did not just buy the same thing twice, but all right, they're cute. Oh, these little Santas, they're almost like shimmery. Oh god, I hate these containers. I cannot open that. All right, my strength has diminished severely since chemo. I just can't do certain things with my hands. They almost look like they have a shimmer to them. I don't know if the camera is picking that up or not, but like the Santas almost look silver. That's really cool. Okay, 'tis the season. What is in this box? I don't know what's in here. Oh, okay. I know this is a dampen dish, but the thing that I liked about this was that when you're using your brushes, you can set them in there like that. Because I always put them on my desk, and as you can see, I have like polish stains. Because even though it's gel polish, eventually it does dry up and you can't get it off. So I just thought this was nice to have, and I could put alcohol in there or nail polish remover, whatever the case may be. I could soak my brushes in there if need be. So I just thought that was really nice. And again, I think that was only $1. So the last thing I got was just this jumbo kit of stuff, and it has all kinds of things in here. So let me get this open so we can take a look. Ooh, there's a lot in here. I saw this and I was like, you know what? This is such a steal. Because I paid literally $1 to $2 for everything, and I think this was $17. Again, price will be up. So again, we have some more multicolored gems. Very similar color scheme as the other ones. Some stars, which is really cool. Ooh. Again, this is one of those things that I could just sit here and go like this all day. These black iridescent or hollow. I think this is hollow. I just thought they're pearls and they are flat back. So very nice. Some of these gold decals, and I want to open this because there's like all kinds of things in here. So we have some suns and moons and stars, a little like leaf shape, large moons. I'm not sure what, it almost looks like a masquerade mask. Seahorses, Eiffel Tower, a diamond, a flower. Is that a bird? Oh, I think it's a flamingo over here. Very cute. We have some glitter. It looks like very fine glitter. I want to try to burnish Miss Jo nails. If anyone watches her, then you know what I'm talking about. Basically, she does this technique where she like rubs the glitter into the nail and it just creates a really beautiful effect. I want to try to do that one day with my finer glitters and see if it works. These are gorgeous colors. This is like a blue silver and this looks like a black with almost like a hollow reflect to it. Very pretty. Very nice. I could never get it like too many glitters. And these are some leaves, which are always fun to play with in the fall time. Like anyone that hasn't got a set of these, let me know down below because I will be sure to include this in my giveaway box because I do have one of these actually, but I just thought they were pretty. And then this big ol' set of glitters. Now, this is kind of what caught my eye out of this whole thing because we got a set similar to this in our Macart box and I was like, you know what? Like, I would really love to... I was trying to look for things I have duplicates of that I could purchase for you guys and just give them to you. These are so awesome. Even though they're tiny, like, there's a ton of stuff in here. I need to get this garbage off my desk because it's driving me crazy. There's like different shapes. So these are stars and I don't know what that is, but hearts, little hearts. And this is more finer glitter and it gets like chunkier as you go, which is really cool because these big ones, I feel like you could make like a nice pattern with them in your nails and whatnot. But I just thought this would be cool to hang on to give away at some point or even like split it up and whatever. But this is kind of what caught my eye. So not only was I shopping for myself, but I was also shopping for you guys as well. So I'm just gonna kind of like make this nice looking and then come back and do my outro. So I can barely fit everything into the frame right now, but I didn't even realize everything that I got until I had it all out on my desk. I hope that you guys enjoy watching videos like this. I sure do. So I hope that you liked it and I hope that you will subscribe and stick around to my channel, like this video, hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!